Well, hello there, Skywinders. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind007. On today's episode, we have this right here. This is the Valvoline Restore and Protect, and I'm going to try to review it. And I said I'm going to try to review it because I have no objective way of proving that it's working. For that, I would have to disassemble the engine and do a before and after pictures, which I have no way of doing it. I don't have any resources to do that. But I'm going to tell you my experience with this product. So before we go on, I want to tell you that this is a Nissan Sentra 2005, and it has almost 300,000 miles. I'm going to show you the odometer right there. So it's definitely a very old engine, 20 years old, 21 years old. And I really didn't have any problems with it. So other than a little rattle at startup. So in the morning when the engine was cold and I would turn it on, it would go clack, 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 clack for about 3 seconds, and then that would die off. So I started using this not for the rattle, but just for general prevention and to see if there was any improvement. And so far, I haven't really noticed any difference that I can tell, but that rattle has gone down significantly. So basically, that problem has reduced a lot. It's almost gone. I'm assuming that it's because of the Restore and Protect. I'm not 100% sure. I have no way of proving that. I would have to repeat this experiment over and over again with at least 5 cars to see if this is actually doing the improvement. But I don't have 5 cars with startup rattles. I only have 1 car. And then that rattle did almost go away. And it could be because of the Restore and Protect or because of something else. So I don't know. Now, for sure, engine rattles don't tend to just go away on their own. Usually they get worse over time. And I have kept up with the maintenance on this car, and you saw the odometer, 300,000 miles. You don't get that far by neglecting an engine. You get that far by being accurate with the oil changes and everything else. So definitely I've kept up with the oil changes on this car, and that rattle was there. Even though I kept up with the oil changes. I don't really know what it was, but it would be at the beginning, in the morning. It would clack, 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 and it's gone down. Now I went on YouTube and saw other YouTube videos about this product, and on the comments, a lot of people said 2 things. 1, the engine consumption went down, and 2, that startup rattle. Other people had that same startup rattle, also either went down or disappeared. So this car doesn't have any engine. When I say engine consumption, I mean oil consumption. So this car does not have any engine oil consumption. Incredible, 300,000 miles, and not 1 drop of burned oil. So thank God, amazing engine, considering the age and the mileage. But other people, and this is anecdotal evidence, so I can't prove it either, because I don't even know those people. Those were just comments. Could be that they work for Valvoline. I don't know. So I don't want to be quoted on that. But they claim that the oil consumption and the engine went down, and the startup rattle went down or disappeared. So like I said, anecdotal evidence. Can't prove it. The only thing I can prove is what's working with me. And apparently this helped with that rattle. So I think I proved my point here. I don't want to make this video any longer. It's already too long. But that's my experience. It's no proof, not proof at all, but that's my experience. So it could be that it works. So thank you for watching, subscribe, and thumbs up.